Hello family and welcome to Harrison Bespoke Autos here in Mombasa. If it is your first time to the channel, kindly subscribe and like this video so that it can reach more people. And today I want to focus on the Toyota Probox Hybrid. In my previous video, I talked about the Toyota Probox, the normal one, which comes in both a 1500cc and 1300cc. Today I want to focus on the Toyota Probox Hybrid, which only comes with the 1500cc. So I want to take you around. I tell you more about this unit, the advantages and why you should buy it. Also, I'll be telling you about the cash price, that is if you want it on hire purchase, as for the time I'm shooting this video. And also I'll tell you about the cash price. And remember, if you want any Toyota Probox, both hybrid and hybrid, right here in Mombasa, you can always contact me on the number indicated on the screen. So normally Toyota Probox has been the Kenyan market for a very long time, but recently from 2017 is when Toyota Probox Hybrid started getting into the Kenyan market. Toyota Probox typically means it comes with the normal 1500cc with an additional electric motor, which is powered by a hybrid battery pack, which mostly it is treated at the back side of the vehicle. The main advantage of hybrid vehicles is that it saves a lot when it comes to fuel. I will just give you an example. Toyota Probox, the normal one, will give you around 13 to 15 km to a liter. That is the 1500cc Toyota Probox. While for the hybrid, it will give you up to 26 km to a liter. Let's talk about the currency. If you normally fuel 10,000 on Toyota Probox, the normal one, the consumption, that is, if you consume, let's say, 10,000 worth of fuel on the Toyota Probox, the normal one, on an hybrid, maybe you will spend around 5,000 to 6,000 maximum. That is the main advantage behind the hybrid vehicles. Another thing is that the hybrid cars has been the Kenyan market for a very long time. It's not only Probox which has an hybrid system. You will find hybrid system in cars like the Toyota Axio, Toyota Ria, things like Toyota Fielder. Even in the Honda family, you'll find the Honda Vezel, Honda Shuttle, Honda Fit, among other many cars. So that's the main point behind the hybrid cars. So for the interior, it actually shares almost everything. It shares everything with the normal Toyota Probox, nothing really much. For the trim levels, you can get one power window like this one. You can get still the 2 power window with the hybrid systems. You can get 4 power window. So mostly it shares all those what you can find in the normal Toyota Probox, that is 1500cc or 1300cc and hybrid. You will still find it on the Toyota Probox Hybrid. That's how it looks, very decent. So I have said, if you are in the market looking for Toyota Probox or any other car, Harrison Bespoke Autos in Mombasa will get you sorted. So this the rear passenger part. And another thing you have to note, the 12-volt battery is treated at the back, not at the front, which I will show you in a while. So that's one thing you have to note when it comes to hybrid cars, or the 12-volt battery is treated at the back. Also, this is where the hybrid battery is treated, is just treated just below the passenger seat. So this is how it looks from the rear. Toyota Probox Hybrid. Before we can even go further about the pricing, this car is going for 1.45. If you want it on cash. On hire purchase, you can come with the deposit of at least 500,000. You clear the balance in 12 to 36 months. That's how it looks from the front. You can see the electric motor right there. this is the electric motor. It's not the electric battery. The electric battery is treated at the back, and still the 12-volt battery, which is treated where the hybrid motor is treated, is still at the back. So this is how it looks from the front, and this specific unit is very clean. So in case you are looking for Toyota Probox Hybrid both on cash and hire purchase, kindly get in touch